We are each of us ourselves. And so inevitably, we are all different. Some people love crowds. Others prefer to be alone. In our eating habits, too, we are all different. Some choose security and convenience, while others take care of it themselves, self-selected, self-prepared. Everyone, though, wants what's best. Delicious, healthy food. For us and for our animals. For some, this is a monocomponent nutrition like our Complete. Others prefer nutrition that's full of variety and different textures. It's why Versela Lager brings you nature. Arranged with the honesty and force of nature. Because this same nature is their home. A next generation of muesli, full of fruit and vegetables, grasses and grains, and rich in natural vitamins and minerals. With rough and varied textures, and no artificial flavors or colorings. Specifically created for rabbits and the like, food, snacks and roughage, rich in vegetables and fibers. For hamsters and the like, food and snacks rich in proteins and grains. So that with nature, you can make each animal feel totally at home. Nature tastes like home, feels like home.